back to my channel. So today we're not going to do a makeup tutorial, but instead we're going to do an unboxing. So the other day I received a package from YesStyle and it is their Thanksgiving set. This is the box of the package that they sent me, and there are 7 items inside it. So let's go and check them out. So before I show you the first item, I just wanted to share na binuksan ko na talaga to. So this is a fake unboxing. So nung dumating to, inopen ko na siya kasi I'm so excited. And the items are individually wrapped originally. But since I already opened them, pag pinakita ko sila sa inyo, hindi na sila nakabalot. So now let's get started for real. So for our first item, we have here the Helloy plain yarn beanie. I wish I am pronouncing the brands right. So this is how it looks like. It comes in 7 different colors and they sent me this one. I actually love the color. So it's very thick and I love the quality of this beanie. So let's try it on. By the way, this is $3.98, so that's around 150 to 200 pesos. So this is how it looks like when worn. So I don't really know how to style beanies, but I think this looks really good and I love the color. Pero hindi siya masyado nakikita sa camera since medyo light din yung color ng background ko and yung color ng beanie, but it's really good. So I'll show you how it looks like up close. So for our second item, we have here the Whoosh long sleeve frill edge t-shirt. So this is $8.78 or around 400 to 450 pesos. This is how it looks like. It is long sleeves and then there is a pattern, a vertical one, and yung gilid niya, yung mga dulo ng mga part niya like the neckline, meron siyang parang wavy na design like this one. I don't know kung anong tawag sa style na to, but yeah, I actually like the whole design, but then since body hugging siya, I don't like the cloth and super thin niya pag sinot ko, so yon, I don't like yung quality ng cloth, but I really love the design. So for me, na nung sinukat ko medyo masikip siya, I don't like it lalo pag long sleeve. So if you are a person na mahilig sa long sleeves tas medyo skinny ka, ganon, feeling ko mas mapupull off mo to and then hindi siya magiging super see-through tingnan. I mean, hindi halatang manipis siya pag suot mo. And I think there are different colors available and I'm not sure if there are sizes, but I will just put it here if there are. So yeah. So for our third item, you have here the Goob A-Line Midi Pinafore. I'm not sure kung paano siya pronounce, but this is $21.53, so that's around 1,000 to 1,100 pesos. So this is the Goob. The cloth of this one is super heavy and I like the quality of the cloth. And so actually yung button niya simula sa pinakataas until the very end nung damit, yung button niya. I'll just put a picture right here kung anong itsura niya kapag suot. So this one, hindi ko siya masyadong gusto sa akin kasi mahaba siya. So on tendency, nagmumukha akong mas maliit. And yun. But I love the cloth. Kung mas matangkad ako, baka mas mapupull off ko siya, but then hindi siya bagay sa akin. If only mas maikli siya ng konti, siguro mas bagay siya sa akin. But I love the cloth. It's very thick and it is also available in different colors. Sa photo I saw there's also a blue one, so I will put the link below so that you can check if there are other colors na available. For our fourth item, we have here the B-Muse Alloy Heart Pendant Necklace. So it is $2.61, so that's about 100 to 150 pesos. So this is how it looks like. It's a mini heart. It's very cute. It's gold. I love gold necklaces, gold accessories, anything gold. So let's try it on. So this is how it looks like when worn. It's so cute. It's very simple. Like that. It's very simple. Wait, hindi nagfo-focus. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It's very simple. I like it. And kasi yung mga necklace ko is parang puro OA sila. So it feels refreshing na maka-use ulit ng simple na necklaces like this one. And I think bagay siya sa damit ko. So I'll just wear this in the entire video. It's actually really light and I don't know kung dapat bang light yung weight niya. And hindi din ako sure kung nag-fade, but yeah, this is how it looks like. I just love the design, the style, how simple looking this one is. I like it. So for our fifth item, we have here the Fema full leather saddle crossbody bag. It is $19.65 so that's around 950 to 1,000 pesos. So this is how it looks like. So for the bag details, yun nga, there's a button right here, and then may mga stitches dito. I like yung may mga stitches na ganyan. And then ito nga, mixture of gold and black. I love gold and black. Inside, there's no pocket, so it's just big enough to fit in your cell phone, your alcohol, your tissue, your charger, your power bank, lipstick, powder. And I think this is the perfect size na magagamit ko kapag lumalabas ako and dala yung mga gamit na yon. Actually, malaki siya. Madami ka pang pwedeng i-add na gusto mong ilagay kasi parang na-extend yung kapal niya. Just like this one, ganyan. And then, itong button din niya is magnetic. So, yung mga ganitong leathers, I think, kailangan niyo siya i-handle with extra care kasi mas mabilis silang masira. But, I love how simple this one. So, I think magagamit ko siya lagi. So, for the sixth product, we have here the Handy Pie Cartoon Foldable Phone Stand. So, this is how it looks like. I really want to stick this on my phone but hindi ko pa nga siya nalalagay. And ayan, tatanggalin mo lang to and then kamukha nung ibang pop-up na nilalagay sa likod ng phone, dinidikit. And then, so pwede mong ilagay yung kamay mo, yung daliri mo here so that pag hawak mo yung cellphone mo, ganyan, hindi siya nahuhulog. So ako kasi, lagi ko nabibitawan yung cellphone ko. So I think this will be a big help for me. And then, you can also adjust this like that so that it could be a stand for your phone, or you can do it like this or both, ganyan. So I like this one, and then super cute ng design kasi it reminds me of our dog Chocho. That's why I like the design. Also, I think there are other available designs. So this is worth 200 to 250 pesos. There are many designs available. I like it so much because it's cute. See. So for the sixth item, I have here the Misha Triple Eyeshadow. This is in the shade number 19, and this is worth $6.49. So that's around 300 to 350 pesos, I think. So this is how it looks like. Let's open it. There, all the colors are shimmery. So this eyeshadow is used to create the gradient eyeshadow look. So let's watch it. It's not that visible on camera because it's shimmery. This is the darkest one. This is the second to the darkest, and this is the lightest shade. Right here, they are all shimmery colors. So the darkest one is pinkish, the second one is a bit orangey, and the last color is a champagne one. So I think this will all look good as a highlighter on your eyeshadow. Let's try applying them all together. It looks good together. I think I will try and use them soon. So this is how it looks like. So did I say 7 items? Actually, there are 8. And I forgot about my favorite product, which is the Kathy Doll Hello Kitty Lip and Cheek Matte Mousse, and it's worth 9.31 US dollars, so that's about 450 to 500 pesos. I got the shade number 2, which is Carrot. So let's swatch this one. So actually, when they released this Hello Kitty X Kathy Doll collection, I really want to buy one because I'm a big fan of Hello Kitty ever since I was young. I used to collect Hello Kitty items, Hello Kitty chopsticks, Hello Kitty clock, Hello Kitty music box. I can still remember when I was around 4th grade, 5th grade, I always put anything Hello Kitty in my wish list. So going back, we have here the number 2, Carrot. This is how it looks like. It glides so smooth, and when you apply it, at first you will think that it is a velvet one, but once it's dry, you can see that it is matte. Right here, I like the color. I should try putting it in my lips, so let's try it. So I already removed my lipstick, so now let's try it. I really love the packaging look. This one is a glossy part, like it's pinkish, and then there's Hello Kitty, my favorite. Then at the back there is Hello Kitty Heart Kathy Doll. I really want to buy the whole collection because I love Hello Kitty. It feels a bit heavy, maybe because it's matte. But it glides so easily. It's very, very pigmented. And the color is very nice. Here. That's all for our mini unboxing, and don't forget to use my code ANNAMARGO24 if you are going to purchase on YesStyle. There are other makeup products available there, and clothes and accessories. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!